Experiment 2, seed sterilization and sowing. In this experiment, we will be using 3 different seeds: tobacco, Arabidopsis and tomato.
Seed sterilization is important to prevent the growth of microbial contaminants such as fungi and bacteria which are present on the seed surface. This is important for high germination and minimum contamination for the plant growth. The methods used to eliminate contamination can include use of antibiotics, fungicides, chemicals, and inactivation by heat and light.
We will be requiring the following materials in this experiment. This is the protocol that we will be following in today's experiment, which will be explained in the coming slides. Count the seeds as required. We have taken around 10 to 15 seeds of tomato. The seeds are placed in the Eppendorf tubes. Add 700 microliter of 70% ethanol in the centrifuge tubes. Shake the tube properly. Remove the ethanol carefully. Make sure no ethanol is left in the tube. Rinse the seeds with same amount of sterile water in order to remove 70% ethanol completely. Now shake the tube. Now remove water. And add 700 microliter of 25% ROX or sodium hypochlorite solution. Shake the tubes. Remove rocks completely. Now add 700 microliter of sterile water. This step is repeated 5 to 6 times for complete washing of rocks. Shake the tube. After 5 to 6 washings are complete, now finally add 700 microliter of sterile water. Seal the tube with paraffin and incubate at 4 degrees Celsius for 2 days. Same protocol was followed for tobacco seed sterilization. The Eppendorf tube shows the settling down of Arabidopsis seeds in 700 microliter of sterile water after sterilization. This slide shows all the three seeds, that is tomato, tobacco and Arabidopsis after sterilization. After 2 days of incubation, the seeds are sown on half ms medium plates that we have prepared in our previous experiments. Make sure that seeds are dispersed throughout the plate. After sewing is completed, the Petri plate is sealed with parafilm. And the plates are labeled and stored in 23 degrees Celsius in growth chamber. Same procedure is followed for tobacco and Arabidopsis seeds. This slide shows the image of all the three seeds after sewing on half ms plate.